Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be here today to share my experience with you about something that has truly made a difference in my life, the forward head posture fix. If you, like me, have ever been concerned about your posture and its harmful effects on your health, this video is for you. Some time ago, I was facing serious posture issues. Hours spent in front of the computer, staring at my phone, and other bad habits had led me to develop a forward head posture, which not only made me appear less confident, but was also affecting my overall health. I was constantly experiencing neck and back pain, and even a constant feeling of mental fatigue. That's when I discovered the Forward Head Posture Fix, a program that promised to restore balance to my posture and improve my overall well-being. As someone who has always believed in the importance of good posture for health, I was extremely curious and decided to give it a try. The Forward Head Posture Fix is an innovative program that focuses on correcting forward head posture, something that affects millions of people worldwide. And the best part is that it does this with 10 simple exercises that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. No matter how busy your life is, you can find time for these exercises, and I'll tell you why it's worth it. These exercises not only helped me correct my posture, but also restored my confidence. When you stand or sit with an upright posture, you feel taller, stronger, and, believe it or not, mentally sharper. This is because posture directly affects the functioning of our nervous system and our cognitive ability. With correct posture, you feel more alert, focused, and ready to tackle any challenge. The exercises are simple, effective, and require no special equipment. With just a few minutes a day, you'll start to feel the difference. I know it sounded too good to be true when I started, but the results speak for themselves. My neck pain decreased, my back felt relieved, and to my surprise, my mind became sharper. Now, you might be wondering how these exercises work. They are based on physical therapy and rehabilitation techniques to strengthen the muscles of the neck, shoulders, and back. By strengthening these muscles, you help your body support your head in the correct position, aligning the spine and correcting the forward head posture. The Forward Head Posture Fix also teaches myofascial release techniques that help relax tense muscles and improve flexibility. All of this together restores natural posture and relieves tensions that can cause pain and discomfort. But what really impressed me was the impact that this improved posture had on my overall life. I felt more confident in my appearance, which reflected in my behavior and how I interacted with others. Additionally, my productivity at work increased, and I was less prone to mental fatigue by the end of the day. Now, the best part is that you can also experience the benefits of the Forward Head Posture Fix. I couldn't be happier with the results I achieved, and I'm convinced it can make a difference in your life too. That's why I'm here today, sharing my story with you. If you're ready to restore balance to your posture, become physically stronger, mentally sharper, and achieve peak performance in your life, I encourage you to try the Forward Head Posture Fix. The results can be transformative, just as they were for me. To get started, simply click the link below and place your order. And, as a special offer for our viewers, Bonus 1, Lifestyle Audit for Lower Back Pain. Bonus 2, Top 10 Natural Sleep Solutions. Stand tall, feel stronger, and enjoy greater focus. Or we'll refund all your money. Guaranteed. Purchase Forward Head Posture Fix today and test Rick's sequential flow for the next 60 days. Remember, it's just 15 minutes max, and if you're not 100% satisfied with the positive impact it has on your posture, health, and well-being, simply send us an email and we'll refund all your money. That's right. I'm so confident that you'll see results in just a few days that I'm happy to make this bold promise that if you're not satisfied for any reason, I insist on giving you a full, hassle-free, no-questions-asked refund. Don't wait any longer to invest in your health and well-being. Try the Forward Head Posture Fix and discover how 10 simple exercises can make a significant difference in your life. Thank you for watching my review and for caring about your posture and health. Let's together achieve a healthier posture and a better life. Remember, your posture is more than just appearance, it's about how you feel and how you live. Click the link below and start your journey to a life with optimized posture and performance. Don't miss this opportunity. Click now and make a positive change in your life. I can't wait to hear about your own experiences with the Forward Hit Posture Fix. Leave your comments to help others and subscribe to